dear students. I welcome all of you to the today's session. And this session we are going to discuss, the topic is pie chart. Or you can also call it as a pie diagram. We all know that in a geometric diagram there are two types. One is bar diagram and another one is pie chart. We already completed the discussion of bar diagram and its types. Now we are moving to the discussion of pie chart. You should know one thing, the most popular method of diagrammatical presentation or the most popular presentation of data is pie chart. And with the help of pie chart, we can able to present the data like income and expenditure pattern of our families as well as the governments, as well as with the crop pattern of our farmers in their land, and likewise the different kind of data we can able to present with the help of pie chart. And pie charts are most popular as well as most attractive way of data presentation. Pie chart means very simple. We will draw a circle, and that circle will be going to subdivide or appropriately or proportionally we will be divided into different components or different angles to present the data. Got it? We will draw a circle and that circle will be divided into proportionally divided into different components or angles based on the data. That is nothing but pie chart. Pie chart means it's a chart in which the circle will be going to be divided into different components or different angle to represent. Understood, right? Now take a meaning of it. Pie chart is a most popular method of data presentation. Most popular method of data presentation, and with this or with the help of pie chart, it useful to present income and expenditure of a family as well as government, and one more type of data also we can use the pie chart, that is crop pattern of a farmer. Now, got it? This is most useful. Pie chart means pie chart. It is useful to present income and expenditure of families as well as the government and crop pattern of farmers. Here, pie chart meaning. Pie chart is a chart in which circle is proportionally subdivide or divided into or divided among components present components to present it. This is what pie chart. In a pie chart means in which circle is proportionally divided into a different components or angles to present the data. Understood, right? Yeah. Before going to the discussion of pie chart, if you want to draw any particular pie chart to the data, we need to follow mainly 4 steps. If you want to draw a pie chart relating to any particular data, firstly we need to follow the 4 steps. Keep in your mind they last 1 month. What is pie chart? After the 2 months they last. Explain the steps to draw a pie chart. In that we have 4 steps to draw the exact pie chart. Got it? Now we'll move to discussion of the steps to draw a pie chart. Okay? Steps to draw a pie chart or pie diagram. There are mainly 4 steps. In that first one or first step is we need to convert the data into a angles. We need to convert the data into a angles. First step is calculate the size of angle. Here what I said, we need to convert data into a angle size. Before that we need to calculate the size of angle or component. We need to calculate the size of angle by using the following formula. Here, in order to convert the data into a angle size, we have one formula. By using that formula, we should be convert or we should be calculate the size of angle or component by using one that formula. What is that formula is? Means the angle formula is the individual value divided by total value divided by total value. What is the size of the circle? The circle size is 360. Right now the width of the circle is 360. Then the data and the values we should be converted into the angle means we should be multiplied by the width of the circle, that is into 360 degree. Okay, here the individual value and the total value of data into 360. If we apply this formula, we will get the size of the angle or shape of a component. Got it? By using this particular formula, we need to find out the size of an angle. This is what the first step. Okay? By using the width of the circle 360, we should find out the size. And second step is we need to draw a circle in appropriate size. We need to draw a circle in a appropriate size, not so bigger or not so smaller. In appropriate size, we need to draw one circle. Draw a circle in appropriate size. Second step, what we should do? First, we need to find out the size of angle by using this following formula And second step is to draw a circle in an appropriate size. It means not so bigger or not so smaller. It should be in a particular manner. Likewise, it should be visible, not bigger or not smaller. And next step is third step. We need to find the angle size by using the protractor. You know, right? Protractor, we will call it as a degree. Okay, by using the degree or protractor, we need to find the angles. Got it? Third step is measure the area of each angle by using protractor. Got it? After drawing an appropriate size of circle, the second step is we need to measure the area of each angle by using a protractor. Protractor means you know, right? This is what? The degree, or we will call it as also a degree. This is what? Protractor. By using this protractor, we can able to measure or we can able to identify the angles in a circle or components in a circle. This is what the third step. First step, we need to find out the size of angle. Second, we need to draw a appropriate size of a circle or circle in a appropriate size. Next, third step is measure the area of each angle by using the protractor. And fourth step to draw a pie chart is whatever the angles you have to find out it, that each angle we need to be shaped with the different colors or we need to be with the different designs, we need to be shaded. Got it? Angle, area should be shaded with using colors, using different colors or designs. We need to shade the each angle area of a circle with the different colors or with the different designs or shades. We need to be shaded because each angle area we should be represent for what it is going, what this angle is going to presenting or what it is going to showing. Okay, this shaded area is showing what kind of, or this angle is showing what kind of data. For that clearance, we need to shade the angle, each angle area should be shaded with the different colors or the designs. These are the main 4 steps to draw a circle. Keep in mind, it may be for 2 marks or sometimes it may be for 4 marks. They will ask like, what are the steps to follow to draw a pie chart? In that first step, we need to find out the size of a angle by using the formula like individual value divided by total value into 360. And after finding the size of an angle, we need to draw a circle in an appropriate size. It means in a normal size. And measure the area of each angle by using the pie chart. That's why to find out the area of each angle, we should use the protractor. And the fourth step is, after finding the size area of our angle, each angle area we need to be shaded with different colors and designs for the easy identification. Got it now? These are the main four steps. Now, by using one particular example question, how to draw pie chart by using all these steps that will be discussed now. Okay? Take a question 1 or example question. Example question 1. Okay. Draw a pie chart for the following data relating to distribution of Indian population by their working status. The working status are mainly three: main workers, non-workers and marginal workers. Based on the working status, we have three classes of population in the data. By using that particular data, we need to draw on pie chart. Okay, take a data now. Data is status and second one is population and third one is components or angles. Components, or we can also call it as an angle size. Okay, here they won't be given this column, they will give only the data like these two columns. One is marginal worker and second one main worker and third one non-worker. Non-worker means unemployed, he is not engaging in any activity. Non-worker. These are the three status of a population. With this status, what is the rate of population? Now I am going to write. In a marginal workers, there are population here showing with the crores. Population here showing with the crores. 9 crores of population is working as a marginal workers and 31 crores of population is working with as a main workers and remaining 62 crores of the population is working as a non-worker. It means they are as a non-workers. This is what data they have given. By using this particular data, we need to draw one pie chart. Got it? And whatever the data they will give, write down as it is and take a one more column with this, because what is the first step? Whatever the data they will give, by using that particular data, we need to find out the size of each angle. Right now, to find out the size of each angle, we need to use one formula, and by using that formula, we need to find out the size of an angle. For that, draw one particular column. Here, component, you can call it as a component or the angle, size of the angle. To use this size of to find out the angle size, formula is total value divided by, individual value divided by total value into 360. Now, individual value of this particular column is 9. Then, to you apply for the formula, we also need to find the total. Here, the total is 102. Total is 102. Now, we'll apply to a angle formula, that is individual value divided by total value. What is the individual value? 9. What is the total value? 102, and into 360 we will get an answer. Got it? We should apply this formula for the each data. Now again, to find out the angle size, 31 divided by 102 into 360. Next, 62 divided by 102 into 360. We need to find out. You know, right? The formula is individual value divided by total value. In place of individual value, I have written 9. The total value of all this data is 102 into 360. Okay? Here, by applying those values to the formula, we got 32 degree as a first angle size. Next, okay, here I don't have percentage pointer, that's why I am using, but use calculator or by your own to solve this formula. Here, 109, next 290. Whatever you have did the calculation, it is right or wrong. To find out, add this size of all the angles. If you get 359.5 point something or 360, then your calculation is right. It means when you get total angle size is 360, then your calculation is right. Got it? We got 360, right? Then now the second step. First step, we have converted the values or data into a angle size, right? This is what first step, by using the formula. And next step is we need to draw one appropriate size of circle. We need to draw a circle in a appropriate size. While drawing circle, you don't use freehand, okay? You just use a rotator or compass. You fix 5 cm or 6 cm space and draw a circle. While you are drawing the circle, don't use a freehand or bangles. Please use a protractor to get a circle shape, okay? That's why to understand this, you should have a geometry material with you. I said in the previous classes only. With the help of geometry material only, we can continue this chapter. Yes, right? Then use the rotator or compass, and with that draw one circle. This is what? The second step. Are you got it? The second step is drawing a circle in an appropriate size. And the third step is, after finding the angles, size, and after getting a circle in an appropriate size, third step is we need to find out the size of the angle by using the protractor. Yes, right? Now come to the third step. What is the third step? Is by using the protractor, we need to find out the angle size, and keep in your mind always it should be come from anti-clockwise. Clockwise means from left to right, but anti-clockwise means from right to left, right to left. Here, whatever the center point you get in the circle, from center point to right side of a circle, this is what I feel center point. Yeah. You just draw one line from the center point to a right side. You know, I think in your 10th class you have understood to use the protractor, right? The exact, and here from 0. The values we have from this side also and from the right side also. But here we will take the values which starts from the right side, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like this. Okay, this overall is 180, and if you rotate like this, remaining 180, total is 360. Got it? And this exact, the center point what we will have, this center point we should be keeping this and this 0 line. You know, right? In a protractor we have a 0 line. This 0 line we should be keep on this particular line, and from here, what is the size of the first angle? 32 degree. And from here, whatever the 32 degree line we get, from there we should be point out, and we should be connect to a center point of a circle. Got it? Hold like this. Keeping your center point of the circle on the right line. From 0, you should start from 0. 0. Where the 32 is here, 32. After 30, take a 2 sublines. 2 sublines. Then connect to a border. Got it? This is how to find out the angle. And after finding the first angle, you should not keep again to find the second angle on this line. You should keep the protractor on the line of the first angle. Line of the first angle. This 0 line should be on this. Okay. From here, 109. 109 means it is 90, right? Exact center of the protractor will be having 90. After 90, 100, okay, 110, 100 to 110. Between the 100 and 110, there is 9 sub-points. Take that 9 sub-points, mark it, and draw a straight line which touches to a circle. This is how to find out the angles of a circle by using the protractor. Got it? And the next fourth step, we need to shade each angle area with a different colors or with a different designs. Got it? Firstly, we have find out the size of an angle, and we have drawn the circle in appropriate size, and also we have used third step also. We have find out the angle areas by using the protractor, and now fourth step is we need to shade each angle area with a different colors or designs. Now here we can't use the colors. Okay, we will give the different designs or shades. Got it? This is what 32 degree. This is 109 degree, and this is remaining part is you will keep your to check whether we have 290 degree or not. See, up to here 180 degree. From here 20 plus 30, how much we will get? 220 or 290. Exactly, we have a 290 degree space in the circle. This is what? 290 degree. Got it? Now we are going to shade the angle areas. And here 109 we will be board plane. Next, rainy dots. Got it? This is what? To draw the pie chart. After drawing this, after designing the each angle, one more thing we need to do. We need to give us sample boxes. What this rounded circles area is showing. What this plain board area is showing. What this dotted area is showing. Here the rounded areas are showing the marginal workers. In the board plane area is showing the main workers, and this dotted area is showing the non-workers. Got it? Likewise, we need to give us samples. Here, the circle area is showing marginal workers, and next flying board area is showing main workers, and thirdly this dotted area is showing non-workers. This is how to present the pie chart. I hope all of you understood. There are 4 steps. We need to convert the data into a angle size by using the formula individual value divided by total value into 360 degree. And it is correct or not, easily we can find out the calculation whether it is right or wrong. If we get 360 degree total by adding the size of angle, the calculation is right. Then second one, we need to draw a circle in an appropriate size. After drawing the circle, we need to take central point, and for the right side you draw one straight line, and from there we need to find out the angle size by using the protractor in anti-clockwise. Not even clockwise means from left to right side. Anti-clockwise means from right to left side. This type of rotation we will call it as a anti-clockwise. And by this anti-clockwise, we need to find out the area of each angle by using a protractor. I said you how to use a protractor. This center point we should be keeping the circle on the straight line which we are drawn. We should be keep this 0 line, and from there we need to measure the size of an angle. And after finding the size of our angles, we need to give different shapes or colors to the angle or designs to the angles. Got it? And what that design is going to represent, that should be given in a sample box. This is what the pie chart. And we'll meet in the next class with one more formula. This is most important question for the examination point of view. In a practical question, definitely they will ask one 5 marks question. Likewise, draw a pie chart with the following data. Okay? And further, discuss one more problem related to the pie chart in the next class. Thank you everyone. We'll meet in the next class.